Hi Sally. Okay, just a quick little video. In order to extend your formulas, the quick and easy way to do it is just to click here. Notice up here it says G50 times 50. That means in this case it's $50 an hour multiplied by the number of hours here. Say if there was 3 hours. It's going to, see, there you go, it takes a minute. It just takes the number of hours and it multiplies it by 50. See, that's times 50 up here, times whatever number's in here. Okay, so that's your formula. You start it with an equals, put the number in there, times 50. Okay, now if I want to extend that formula, I want to put it in the next column, I just drag that down. Now, by clicking on the bottom right hand corner, it turns into this blue box. It's a handle. When it hits that plus, you can add that. You can do that with any of these, so you can keep extending these formulas down. And it will just extend those formulas down for you. Okay, now it's not updating this total because you're saying equals Q51, which is this box right here, plus R50, but you notice you don't have anything in R50 or in Q51 yet. You haven't totaled up the week. Okay, so to total up the week, I'm not sure if it will work, but we could take a look. It should just, you can pull it down. Now notice, see, totaling up the week here, D50 plus F50 plus H50 plus J50, that's all the totals that are right here. In the dollar sign, those are all the totals of those. Okay, so let's think about this. So we want to total up what's in this week. This one we can make easier. We don't have to do all of them, but just for sake of simplicity. So first I'm going to start with an equal sign, start a formula, and then I'm going to click right here. So it's going to add that. And then I'm going to click right. I'm going to say I want to add it to other labor totals. So any place that there is a dollar sign, I know that potentially could be someone's labor. So I'm just adding, and I'm doing that by clicking on that cell. And all I'm doing is I'm telling the computer the formula. Notice the formula's kind of propagating. It's going on up here. And you can always go back and change these formulas. Okay, so it's got 3820 in there, and now it's updating because now you have a number in there. Before you didn't have a number in Q51. So now you're taking the total in this, and you're adding it to this, which is this weekly total, to get a total right here. Let's see, and going down. So it's all pretty straightforward. And all that does is, for example, let's see, okay, so like for example, all you got here is total labor. Right now it's just saying, okay, R50, but we've gone past R50, right? It's whatever's in R50 is going to show up here. So we know now it's R51. Okay, so we're going to say R51. And now that'll automatically update it. Now notice that the reason I left this 150 in there, just to show you how easy it is to, now that we've got it in there, I'm going to take that out. I'll put 0 hours back in. So it's going to update all of these totals automatically because that's what the spreadsheet's set up for. All right, here's some other examples too, is like right here. Here's an example of a formula where I put equals, and I put whatever number's in C61, which is the number of dump runs, which is 9, and it's going to multiply it by 300. Okay, again, that's just another simple formula. Materials just adds to what's on the back, equals materials, which is D3, and which means that it's on the other tab. Okay. Hopefully that helps, and good luck.